All right, these are Super Stinger 6-inch shells. Most of the time when you buy 6-inch shells, you're just paying for advertising, bigger is better, paying for more cardboard, more space. But sometimes that 6 inches actually needs to be used because of the effect of the shell. So these are two different effects, but this one, maybe there's less, it's about 3/4 of an inch of space left inside this shell. Same brand, Super Stinger 6-inch. This one, 2.5. But why? Because this one has a ring effect inside of it. There's a special insert inside these ring effect shells that shoot that composition out to create that donut, that ring that you all see in the sky. So this is just extra cardboard, extra space, extra shipping, you know, but this one is not. So this video is more of to show that ring effect more than if it's the legal 60-gram weight. But we're going to do the weight and all that stuff too, just like the normal videos. But I just wanted to really get into it to show the ring effect that's inside of there. So I've already popped the tops off so we can see them. But I'll just start tearing this one down like normal so we can get into the actual ring effect that's inside there. So first we'll weigh the fuse like normal. Usually these are about 1.5. One's 1.6. Next we'll go into the lift. Cut into that. Pretty chunky. 10.2 on the lift. And we'll get into the composition inside of here. This cardboard disc out. Into the clay. Break up the clay. Clay out of there. Try to use something plastic. This one's got another cardboard disc, which is nice. All right, so I don't know if you can see that, but there is an insert. It's plastic. I'm gonna grab some pliers. Let's see if we can pull that out so we don't weigh it. Does not want to come out, so let's. There it is. It's all out. All right. So this is the insert. There's actually composition inside of it. All these stars go around it. Composition explodes through this fire hole here, inside here, and then it shoots it out, creating that ring effect. And that's how that's created. So I guess we can see how much this weighs. Got to retard this. Oops. I have no idea what that white stuff is. I'm guessing it's some kind of filler to keep it from going out like that, to keep it in that ring. So that's 34.9 for the comp. I'll add that up. All right, that is 46.7 grams total. I'm guessing there's more inside here, which there is. I guess we can get inside that if we really want to. Just totally screw up this shell. So there's more. So this is a different kind of black powder. It's looks like it's some rice hulls covered in BP, which is exactly what it looks like. And inside that, we got another 15.4. So we're actually up to 62.1 grams, so might be a little heavy. These are super stingers. These aren't, you know, anything super special. So this is your little insert. About 3 1/8, and that's what takes up all that extra space. That's what's required for these 6-inch shells, unlike this one who's got a ton that, you know, this thing can almost go all the way in there. But this is one of those times where 6 inches is actually needed for 6 inches, and it actually works for 6 inches, and you're not just paying for cardboard because of the actual ring effect on the shell. So hopefully somebody learned something, and I'm going to clean this up.